Today we're gonna go check out a bookstore in Raytown. Angie owns this bookstore, and we met over coffee with the Raytown Chamber of Commerce networking event. And so we're gonna go talk to her today and highlight her business.
I'm Angie. I'm the owner of Trailhead Books in downtown Raytown. We have all kinds of genres of books here. Everything is used, discounted prices. Would love to see you. Come on by. We're gonna do some Black Friday sales. We'd love to work with you if you're a local author or a local vendor. Our address is 10009 East 63rd, right in downtown Raytown. Hope to see you soon.